Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. Don't pause, click the three dots at the top right. Once there, choose Privacy and Security so you can access permission controls. Next, open Site Settings where Notifications Live. This is where you'll make the change that stops interruptions. You're doing this to control which sites can ping you, improve focus, and reduce data use from background alerts. Proceed now to identifying the notification controls for specific sites. You'll now find notifications within Site Settings. Open it to view global controls and site lists. Once inside, toggle the default behavior to either ask before sending or block to stop all new prompts. Ask keeps control but reduces surprises, while block silences everything. Make sure to scan the Allow list and remove any site you don't trust by clicking the three dots and selecting Remove or Block. After adjusting defaults, confirm that important sites remain allowed so you don't lose needed alerts. You finish by restarting Chrome so changes take effect and you can verify behavior. Relaunching clears transient states. If notifications persist, inspect extensions. Some manage alerts and can override Chrome settings, so disable or remove suspect extensions. Also, clear site data for sites that keep sending notifications. That forces a fresh permission prompt. If it still fails, make sure Chrome is updated and your OS notification settings aren't allowing Chrome to bypass.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.